I've got 3 chicken breasts here that I've cut into cubes. So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of red chili flakes, MSG, this is optional, 1 egg, soy sauce, white vinegar, 1 flour. Mix the chicken and everything. This is done. You can deep fry the chicken or air fry it. I'm just gonna shallow fry it. I'm gonna take about 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 1 of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, salt, black pepper, red chili flakes, tablespoon of corn flour, half cup of water. Mix this very well. In the same pan in which we fried the chicken, so I'm gonna fry some garlic first. The garlic is pink. Add the vegetables. I'm using peppers, green onions, white onions. Now stir fry this on high heat for about 2 minutes. So these are fried. I'm gonna add some sliced ginger in there. The chicken that we fried. And this is the sauce that we made. This is gonna go in. Now stir fry this for about 2 minutes. Chicken chili dry is ready.